part 2 of solving systems of equations with word problems or in word problems. So Callie and Daryl each improved their yards by planting grass sod and ornamental grass. They bought their supplies from the same store. Callie spent $14 on 1 square foot of grass sod and 1 bunch of ornamental grass. Daryl spent $124 of 2 square feet of grass sod and 10 bunches of ornamental grass. What is the cost of 1 square foot of grass sod and the cost of 1 bunch of ornamental grass? So what we're doing is, again, we have 2 items. So we have 2 variables. And the x is going to be the cost of a square foot of sod. There we go. Square foot of sod. Erase that. There. And y will be the cost of ornamental grass. There we go. Now, again, like the other thing, we have 2 people that are buying 2 different things. So it's the same type of equation. We're going to be talking about what Callie done. We're going to be talking definitely about what Callie done, sorry. And we'll be looking at, let me go here, what Callie spent. So Callie spent $14 on 1 square foot of grass sod and 1 bunch of ornamental grass. So she had 1 of grass sod or sod and 1 of ornamental grass, and she spent $14. And Daryl had 2 foot of sod and 10 bunches of ornamental grass for a total of 124. So what we're going to do is this. We're going to take the top equation, because they're both in standard form, so we're going to solve by elimination. And we can notice that we have 1x and we have 2x here. So if I multiply the top one by -2, we will come out with -2x minus 2y equals -28. And I'll just move this bottom one. We'll just rewrite it because we didn't have to do anything to it yet. Now, the x's drop because we're adding. We're solving elimination by adding. And then we get 8y equals 96. And of course, you should know that what we need to do is divide both sides by 8, and that y equals 12. So the cost of ornamental grass is $12. Okay? Now that we know what the cost of ornamental grass is, we can substitute that value into the top equation and find out what our cost for 1 square foot of sod is. 1x plus 1 times 12 equals 14. And of course, that's just 1x plus 12 equals 14. We will subtract 12, and we get x equal to 2. So it's $2 for a square foot of sod. And the black and the green here is my answers. Okay? That concludes part 2 of solving systems of equation word problems.